Hi friends, this video shows how to fix video resume not working issue. So first let me open this Amazon Prime Video app. Then go to left side, go to settings, go to recommendations. So here we can see two options, enabled and disabled. By default, recommendations would be enabled. We have to enable recommendations to work resume video feature. You can read that here. Prime Video would like to share personalized recommendations on your device to make it easier to find the video that we think you will love and to resume videos already started. If you are not able to resume videos which already started, the problem would be this would be disabled. So we have to enable it. Select enabled, done. So now I have enabled recommendations. Now resume video feature will work. So this way we can fix that issue. Please check it.